everyone. Welcome back to the work week, and welcome to the Daily Stock Report brought to you by QualityStocks.net, where performance is tracked daily. I'm Chris Hambright, and for Monday, March 12th, we're bringing you the latest news from around the markets, as well as the top movers to look out for today. In our headline news, everything was set for an upbeat start to the week. Japan had revised its Q4 GDP growth higher. Oil prices slipped below $60 a barrel. And there was a batch of M&A activity highlighted by Schering-Plough's $14.4 billion cash offer for Akzo Nobel's drug unit, Organon. However, the tide of bullish sentiment soon turned in the wake of a revelation from Countrywide Financial that it expects to encounter short-term earnings volatility as it tightens its underwriting guidelines in response to the deteriorating conditions in the subprime mortgage market. Countrywide's news, combined with an announcement from mortgage REIT New Century Financial that its lenders have halted their financing, was enough to derail the bullish bias and left the market poised for a lower open. Strikingly, though, the market managed to hold its ground at the start of trading, in a sign that perhaps it is coming around to the conclusion that problems in the subprime mortgage market aren't going to be a systematic issue. We'll keep our eye out on that one. The one standout in today's session so far happens to be the Treasury market, which is getting a boost from some safe haven buying interest ahead of those items and in response to the subprime mortgage market concerns. In our small cap headlines today, our small cap headlines are brought to you by Nascent Food Service. Nascent Food Service is one of Baja, Mexico's largest food distributors, marketing and distributing over 14,000 national and proprietary brand food and non-food products to over 1,000 customers. Recapping some of last week's movers and shakers and some of the companies we'll definitely be keeping a close eye on this week at the Quality Stocks Daily. The Blackhawk Fund announced a monumental agreement which has been reached with author Dennis Waitley. The Blackhawk Fund will record all revenue generated from sales, which could surpass the company's annual projections of $14 billion. The company has signed an exclusive agreement with Waitley to co-create, produce, and market a new media series for international distribution. Waitley is a master motivator and has worked with a who's who in every conceivable genre, ranging from Apollo astronauts, Super Bowl athletes, and Fortune 500 executives, as well as working with U.S. Olympic champions. The Blackhawk Fund opens their week at 3 cents a share. La Jolla Pharmaceutical Company announced Thursday that its lupus drug candidate, Rhinquit, showed positive results in a late-stage study. Patients treated with the 900 milligram or 300 milligram dose once a week showed greater reductions in antibodies than patients treated with the 100 milligram dose or placebo. La Jolla engages in the research and development of specific therapeutic products for the treatment of various life-threatening antibody-mediated diseases and starts their trading week off at approximately $5.95 a share. Jones Soda saw a new 52-week high of $17.36 a share, slipping to $17.13 a share at the close. The boost, due in part to company sales, which rose 15%, and disclosure of its new retailers who would carry its cans of soda made with pure cane sugar. This list included retailers such as Walmart, Kroger, Kmart, and Safeway, among others. Major analysts have upgraded the stock from neutral to buy. And that's our newsmakers for today. Stay tuned right here to the Quality Stocks Daily for your current updates. And be sure to join us every market day for the latest commentary on small cap to large cap and everything in between, brought to you by QualityStocks.net. Thank you for tuning in. I'm Chris Hambright. Have a great day, and we'll see you tomorrow right here on the Daily Report.
You've got it.